Okay, so now moving on to the next center that I wanted to work on, and it's my dramatic play center. I'm trying to make it like a little flower shop slash garden. So I figured one side could be like the garden side where they can pick the flowers, and then the other side would be like the actual garden shop. So we're gonna figure out this situation. So at the beginning of my videos, I like to introduce myself to anybody who may be new watching. My name is Courtney. I am a full-time teacher and I do YouTube on the side as a hobby. I do all types of cleaning videos, makeover videos, just pretty much any type of home style, home living type videos. I kind of do those. I do also do videos within my classroom, as you can tell. I like to do like classroom resets on Sundays, and also I do like whenever I make over my classroom or rearrange, I do those types of videos as well. So anyway, if you do like that kind of content, make sure you push that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any more of my videos. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for joining in for another video. I hope you enjoy today's video. So this is part 2 of this little makeover rearranging day. So if you missed part 1, make sure you check that out, so then you can be caught up on like everything that happened in the classroom for today. But I will make sure I leave that down in my description box. So creating this garden, it just came together so perfectly. I don't think I could have done it any better than what I imagined I was gonna do. The flowers just turned out so pretty, and it just looks, I don't know, like I would be excited to play in it. And so the kids, when they saw it, they were so excited. Like everybody wanted to be in that center. And it was just really cool. I wish I could like show y'all like pictures and videos of them in there plucking those flowers and trying to sell them, because they had a good time playing in this center. Think about you all the time. You got me loose. My heart was troubled. Now I'm fine. So if you ever have anything like you want to share, like ideas, something I should try in a classroom, or you know, books that I should read, or anything like that, I am welcome to suggestions. Leave them down in the comments. I always reply back to all of my comments, and I'm always open to fresh set of eyes or anything like that. So feel free to leave any type of comments down in the comment section.
Body up and down. Do you hear the black body? Do you feel it? Do you? Do you? Do you feel it? Do you, baby? Do you feel the blood? Do you feel it in you? Must be feeling something. Maybe it's the thrill of the spring. Maybe it's love. Do you hear the blood? Do you feel it in you? Must be feeling something. Maybe it's the thrill of the spring. Maybe it's love then.
So these are my letter cards and my letter hands that I use in the classroom. The letter hands are when we leave out the classroom, we give the hand a high five, and we say the letter that's on the hand.
that you're doing fine, cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge.
So I wanted to share this Bible verse with you guys. It says, "Consider it pure joy, my brothers and sisters, whenever you face trials of many kinds, because you know that the testing of your faith produces perseverance." James 1:2-3.
Cause I can see in your eyes, your
So I don't know about y'all, but springtime is here and it does not feel like springtime. I feel like it feels like fall time. And one thing about me, I think the older I get, I just like all the seasons now. Like, it's not just one season, but I like to be in the season. So if it's springtime, I want it to be springtime. If it's fall time, I want it to be fall time. If it's summertime, I want it to feel like it's summertime. So that is just like how I feel about it. What do you think about it? And or what's your favorite season? I will say though, I am so ready for summer. I'm ready for summer vacation. I'm ready to chill by the pools and do all the things that you do during summer break. What are some things that you have planned for summer break? One of the things that we have planned, my family and I, we're going to be going to the beach. And before we go to the beach, though, we're going to go celebrate my cousin's wedding, and then we're going to the beach. So I am super excited about it. I can't wait to get out on the sun, or in the sun, not on the sun, in the sun, and be on the sand and just relaxing by the beach.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go.
So I forgot to put the St. Patrick's Day stuff, and I just went straight on to Easter stuff. So I had to take the Easter stuff out and put the St. Patrick's Day stuff in, and then next week I'll be adding in the adding in the Easter stuff. I don't know what happened, but I guess I forgot all about St. Patrick's Day, or something happened. But anyway, the kids enjoyed it though, so that's all that matters.
Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember that this is part 2, so if you missed part 1, make sure you go back and watch it. It's a good one to watch. Again, thank you for tuning in for today's video. Don't forget to push that subscribe button if you are new, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
I was at the wrong place at the right time.